Audit is on Southern Right Acupuncture. Similarly to the first, we're going to go to Moz. When going to Moz, we find that there is no domain authority. So the next thing that we're going to do is go to SEMrush. In SEMrush, we find there's 15 backlinks and an authority score of 2. Before I go to my insights, let's look at the keywords. So there's 0 ranking keywords on both SEMrush and on Moz. That's very important. In SEO, keywords are extremely important. So here we're on the website. So we have face rejuvenation, we have acupuncture treatment, we have what is acupuncture. So the first thing I would do here is I would have them spread out some of these frequently asked questions into different pages so that we can help to build them as keywords. Because what is traditional Chinese medicine is a great keyword. How does acupuncture work? All of these are great questions, but if they're all piled into one page, it's going to hurt them from an SEO standpoint. We have about 22 or 21 keywords. Everything from acupuncture near me to best acupuncture near me, microbiome diet, top 5 or top 10 benefits of acupuncture. So if we go to the search volume, we could do an article on acupuncture for back pain that has a search volume of 1,400. We can include something like acupuncture near me by adding something to the website that says, when looking for acupuncture near me, you found the right place with our company. Ozone sauna, you could do an article on ozone sauna. So if we go to the blog page, we see they don't have many blogs. And obviously I do like to think outside the box and integrate video, but when it comes to establishing a keyword, especially with acupuncture, writing blogs is very helpful because you want to add education. Like I mentioned earlier, we have Tai Chi. So the final step that I would do here is I would tell them to add some more backlinks and to establish a blog page and a video. Let's join the platform at themerlingroupworld.com. Here we can create a video about acupuncture that can focus and sit on my website as well as theirs, as well as add some insights. Then, once they add more blogs, they can showcase their blogs on the website. We do have some acupuncture blogs, but having theirs has a more level of prestige because they're an acupuncturist. My final thoughts is I think that he should integrate a video and here move the video up, because people don't want to have to scroll all the way to the bottom. They want to be able to just click the button and watch the video. So I would move that video up closer to here where it says face rejuvenation so people can get an idea of what Southern Right Acupuncture is, who Gideon the Roe is. So here are my final thoughts. The website has a lot of great content, but integrating video will increase engagement and keep people on the site longer. You have 0 linking root domains. These are sites that reference your site. Our platform, as in themerlingroupworld.com, lets you showcase your written, video, and visual content with references to your site. You have great videos on LinkedIn. Gideon has close to, I think, over 8,000 followers on LinkedIn. So he should integrate some of those videos onto the website for increased engagement. A showcase interview on your website and ours will increase visibility and put a face to your business. So these are just some brief things to add in an SEO report. And when creating an SEO audit, you want to give them as much information as possible and explain even more so that you can answer any questions that they might have.